Assignment video. Myself Aishwarya Walikar from BSc 5th sem. My combination is chemistry and zoology. My assignment topic is coordination chemistry 1. In that coordination chemistry paper 1, IUPAC system of nomenclature with theory and calculation of EAN in different complexes. Nomenclature system. The IUPAC nomenclature system is a system of nomenclature is a standardized systematic method for naming chemical compounds including organic and inorganic substances developed by the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry IUPAC to ensure the clarity and uniqueness in chemical combinations worldwide. Key principles in that IUPAC nomenclature is systematic naming. IUPAC nomenclature aims to provide every distinct compound with a unique descriptive name based on its molecular structure. Second one, foundation in longest carbon chain. For organic compounds, the process begins with the identifying the longest continuous carbon chain, the parent chain. Prefix, root words, and suffixes. Names are built bits using a combination of prefixes for a substance, root words for the number of carbon atoms in the parent chain, and suffixes for atom in the functional groups according to a set of rules and properties. The next one, unambiguous representation. The goal is for a specific name of corresponding to only one structural formula and vice versa. Then the so many examples of IUPAC nomenclature is there. First one, carboxylic acid. The suffix is oic acid. Then name of the example is pentoic acid. The next one, acid anhydride, carboxylic ester, then amide, and so many example is there. The next one, Sedgwick rule. The Sedgwick rule states that the effective atomic number, the EAN rule, states that the central metal atom in a coordination complex will accept the electron pairs from ligands until its total electron count matches the atomic number of the next noble gas, in including a stable configuration. This is calculated by adding the metal's electrons and the electrons donated by the ligands, with each ligand typically donated 2 electrons. The next one, the EAN rule is essential for the predicting the stability of the coordination complexes and is elongation to the 18 electron rule for a main group elements and organometallic compounds. The next one, the Sedgwick rule. How the Sedgwick rule works? The Sedgwick rule how to works? Determine the central metal atom valency electron start with the number of electrons in the metal atom. The next one, account for the oxidation state. The subtract the of metal oxidation state to find the number of electrons it possesses in an ion. The next one, add donates electrons. Add the total number of electrons donated by the ligands. Each ligand usually donates a pair of electrons, so the coordination number is multiple by 2. The next one is calculate of EAN. The total number of electrons around the central metal atom is the EAN. Then compared to noble gas, the EAN should ideally be equal to the atomic number of the next noble gas in the periodic table. The next one, EAN rule. The central metal atom continues to accept electron pairs until its total electron count equal the atomic number of the noble gas in the same period. Then stability of EAN rule is complexes that satisfy the EAN rule are considered as particularly stable. Then example of EAN calculation is CO, cobalt, NH3 6 3 plus. Atomic number is 27 of cobalt. Oxidation state is +3. Then coordination number is from the 6 amine and then result the EAN of 36 matches the atomic number of krypton indicating the stable complex. Then we consider of then second example nickel cobalt nickel tetra cobalt. Nickel atomic number is 28, oxidation state is nickel. This is complex is neutral, so its oxidation state is 0. Valence electron 28 minus 0 28. Ligand electrons. Then next one, calculation of EAN rule. To calculate the effective atomic number of the coordination complex, use the formula EAN is equal to Z minus ON plus 2 into Cn, where Z is the atomic number of the central metal atom, on is the oxidation state of the metals, Cn is the coordination number of the complex, the EAN is the total number of electrons and those donated by the ligands. The example of chromium cobalt, central metal atom is a chromium. Then next, to calculate how to calculate the EAN for this method is EAN is equal to Z minus ON plus 2 into Cn. Then next one is this coordination chemistry concludes that the IUPAC system of nomenclature provides the standardized way naming the chemical compounds, Sedgwick's theory, and how to calculate the EAN rule for a particular compound. Thank you.